Now let us learn how to use structural wizard. But this time we are going to create a frame structure. So first you guys need to go to this place and change metrics. And here you come to this pay frame, and here you change the length to around whatever the requirement you guys have. So let's take it to be around 8 meter in our case right now. So yeah, so 8 meter in that sense, I'll take it to be two bays. So the height will take around 3 meters, and for a height of along one swing, and width to be again 8 meter. So we'll keep it in equal span. So yes, and just keep it yes. So yeah, now this is ready. Now add a plate. First of all, go to the view, so change the view, view to this one, and select geometry. Just come here, just do this, and view selected object. Just go to this, and geometry, add plate, add a plate. And some people they do it, they use these plates. Some people they don't do it. It depends upon whatever the company you guys work, or maybe the college lecture how they tell. So once this is done, then you guys need to do something like this. Come to the view once again, display the whole structure. We have created a plate out. Now let's go to the properties. So I've already defined the properties right now. So let me delete it off once, so I can do it once again for you guys. So I'll do this. And here, some people have a problem where you guys will have a values given in inches. So there will be a problem right now for you guys. Like you guys, maybe it would be difficult for you guys. So let me help you guys with that. So what you guys can do is you can just change this out and apply it in feet or inches, whatever it is. However you guys feel better to be. So what we'll do is we'll come to this prismatic rectangular. So right now it is in feet, and let me keep it in. I would like to keep it in inches. So I'll do the same once again. It takes time. Yeah, rectangular. So let me take it to be 9 inches, and 1 inch. Sorry. So 12 feet. Sorry, 1 feet. That is 12 inches. So add. Again, the same way, let me change this for 9, and again it is 13 inches. So add this out, and come to this, and sorry, thickness. Let's keep it at around, I want to keep it around 5 inches. So add, so this is done. Now just go to this, select parallel, sorry, beams, Y direction, and columns I'm going to keep it 13. So Mm, yeah, Y. So assign, and now same way we can do something like this. There's an option here, and just come here. Sorry, mm, inverse assign S, and now just give this. Sorry, select geometry all. Yeah. So this is done. Next, it is about the materials. So materials, so we have given it concrete, and that is fine. Next, we go to the supports. View, change the support to this one, and let's turn it to yeah, we have a fixed one. So assign to the selected thing. So here, assign to the selected nodes. So this is done. So we'll do this, then we'll go to the loading cases here. Yeah, I've already defined the load cases. Then let me come to this. You guys know how to do it, right? You need to do this by adding the this one, live load, all those things. I can do that. Just assign to the viewer. So I've taken the floor finish of 1.5 and sense of 1.5 means yeah. So now I'll change the metrics once again. Let me keep it in meters so it will be easy for you guys to understand how it works. So 1.5 kilonewton per meter square, that is done. And the same way we are going with this also, this will be around 3 kilonewton. No? So that is a live load. So once that is applied, we'll come to this load combinations. So now let's do the analysis. Pro save. I don't think there will be any kind of errors or something. Let's see, no errors. We'll go to the post processing, apply, okay. So axial load reactions. Check the reactions out and compare with the manual calculations if you guys want to. So displacement. So you guys need, first of all, you guys need to know the axial load, all those things. You guys need to do it in the like do a manual calculation. Once that is found, you can find the answers. Thank you.